Hey everybody, it's me, Really Quill. Right now, I'm gonna get a cat.
Hey, Jerry.
A cat? You want a toy? You want a toy? This is my drone.
Jerry.
Here, cat. Here's a toy.
You said you were gonna let me record it.
Okay, just record the cat. I got the controller.
I'm gonna stand back. There was Lucy running away, so. Bye. Say bye to the quill.
Peace out, everybody. I'll see you on next time. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I don't care if you dislike this video because I was being mean to the cat. But
Lucy wants to say bye.
listen, say bye. Bye, and please don't do that again. No, I don't like it.
I want to say bye.
So, yeah.
Lucy wants to say bye.
No,
Bye-bye.
it's not even facing towards home.
Oh. Bye-bye.
No. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button. I want to see if this video can get to, okay, I'm already at 10 subscribers, so I want to see if this video can get me to, 15 subscribers. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, wait. Hold on. How about 12 subscribers? Yeah. Or 13. 12 or 13 or 14 or 15. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Peace out.